Hi garden friends. Today let's go on a journey. Wait a minute. What? A garden journey. I'd like to reveal to you today my backyard that I have designed, planted, replanted, done all the things. So grab your favorite beverage, buckle up, and let's go. Enjoy. It all began in the year 2008. I created a small berm before the wooden fence was installed. It wasn't until 2021 when I began this last project. I wanted to install a steel ring, and I laid down cardboard and burlap bags. I used about 10 yards of mulch, compost, and wood chips for this part of the process. That was a lot of work. As you can see, this photo was taken shortly after I installed the steel ring, the gravel, and the compost, mulch, and wood chips. Finally getting to the good stuff, when I would get the chance to put the plants in. I laid out a plan, and I didn't always go by the plan, but you know how it is when you're a gardener. I had quite a few varieties of plants that I put in, including dwarf spirea, snowberry bush, Oregon grape, agastaki, ornamental grasses, and sedge. There I am, getting ready to plant my beautiful vine maple. That's me, goofing off after a long day in the garden. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you what my garden looks like today, in November of 2024. Hi garden friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. It took me so long to figure it out, I had to make a wardrobe change. I'm just adding some mulch to my roses here. I have one here. It's called a Eden rose, a climbing Eden rose. And it has beautiful pink flowers on it. And hopefully it'll grow up this trellis. And I have here's my trellis here. I have another Eden climbing rose over here. See that little stake there? Now, this rose I planted in memory of my brother who passed this past June. And so I thought that would be a lovely way to commemorate him. And so hopefully it will climb up this trellis and meet in the middle with this other climbing rose, and it's also an Eden climbing rose. And that is in memory of my sister who passed about 20 years ago. So that is my little memory garden, as it were. So this is what my garden looks like now. Obviously, I didn't put everything in the video that I had put together here for this video, but I did the best that I could. Now here is the belle of the ball. This is the one that I planted in 2021. And that is my vine maple. Look how much it's grown. I limbed it up some, as you can see. I took some of the limbing off the bottom and limbed it up. Whoopsie, sorry for the camera. And she's spectacular. Now in this light, it doesn't really show, but it's kind of got red branching. So that's the vine maple. And then here's some dwarf spireas. Now these are deciduous, which means they lose their leaves, of course. And there's 3 of them here. And peeking through is my Oregon grape and my snowberry bush. Look at that. Gorgeous. So you can see how much this is filled in over the past several years. And I've added some things and I've taken some things away. Coming through here, this is the very tail end of the Gara. I don't know if you can see that or not. And coming around here is this borage. Look at those beautiful blooms. I think they're fantastic. So here's the back side of it. You can maybe see the red branching a little bit better with that vine maple. And these are the Carly Rose ornamental grasses. Aren't they gorgeous? I love them. They obviously need to be pruned back, which I'm going to get to soon, I hope. And so that's what that area looks like. I do have an old raised bed here. I've got some rhubarb over there, and it's going dormant, of course. And I've got these mountain bluets. It's called amethyst in snow. And here's the tag here. It gets lovely delicate flowers on them. I've got some other ornamental grasses here. And I've got this beautiful grass. And I'm not really sure what the name of it is. I planted it so long ago that I don't have any indicator as to what variety it is. Maybe if you know, you could comment in the comment section. Now, this is a bridal veil spirea. It's got a different texture to it than the other spireas. And of course, these spireas are losing their leaves, but there's still some color left. And I also have some yarrow that I grew from seed, and that's not looking too bad. It's nice foliage, textural foliage. And here is my red flowering currant, such as it is. Again, in the springtime, it's absolutely stunning. And hopefully I can eradicate these blackberry bushes. Yikes. And there's another bridal veil spirea. And then here's the beautiful hot lip salvia. Still pushing out a few blooms there. I have another Oregon grape here. And an evergreen huckleberry. Now that is a native plant in Oregon. So there's the lay of the land there. And then I have another beautiful ornamental grass there. So I've got a little bit of a mishmash going on down here. I didn't do too well at pruning this year. I've got some salvia. I think it's called Veronica. You know how these things are. This is real-time gardening, folks. So one thing that I had considered doing is replacing this fire pit. It's very rarely used. And I'm thinking about planting either a large shrub or maybe a rose bush or a small tree. Maybe you could help me out. What do you think? I mean, I wouldn't want anything too large, obviously. But I'm thinking about it. And, maybe you could help me out in the comments. And if you're enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. I have a lot of other things to get to. I've still got my south garden that I haven't shown yet. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, like, subscribe, comment. I hope you're having a great gardening day. Thank you for watching. And I will catch you in the next one. So try another one on for size. Have a great day.